Did you like Vancouver Island?
I like it, but pain in my heart, I'm leaving.
Yeah. So we visited Victoria, and yesterday we edited in the beep, I would say,
in the library.
And well, today we take the ferry, but the ferry is 1.5 hours. We already drove for an hour, and then we drive to Hope. It's like in the start of the Rockies.
There's always hope.
There's always hope. And then we're going up to the Rocky Mountains.
Direction of Jasper, Banff, Calgary, that area.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Yeah, good. It's a very nice day with very nice weather.
It is.
We're on the ferry again.
Oh, the number 6, yes, up here.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh,
that's so
great, super, thank you.
I'm just going to take the number.
Yeah, okay, please, there you go. Alrighty. Kilometer breakfast.
All day breakfast.
Oei, lekker.
Arrived in Hope, British Columbia, and look how pretty this campsite is. So nice. And all the mountains are around. We just arrived like 15 minutes ago.
Yep,
Everything's in order.
yep, 3 times
We've
this.
seen the weather forecast. In about 2 hours it's gonna rain. So we're gonna cook dinner now.
With the Army PSU knife out
The Netherlands.
of the Netherlands 1982. And we got a pot here.
We still had 1 can of something with chicken.
You don't know what it exactly is.
I
but it
don't
looks
know what
very
it
good.
is, but this looks.
If you're hungry, you eat everything.
We'll see. What's that?
Yes, I'm gonna change the bulb, the light.
The light bulb?
Yeah.
I see. Yay.
Ah.
Oh, today we drive from Hope to Revelstoke and we're in Merritt now. Here's a Napa Auto Parts because my front light didn't work. So we're trying to get a new one. The Napa Auto Parts where we were wasn't an Auto Parts, it was an Auto Pro. So they only repair, they don't sell. So the woman recommended this Lord Co. And she said it would be next to the Save on Foods. And they did have the lamp.
Okay. Zo ziet hij goed. Lijkt het?
Ja!
Yes.
I do that. Now this part.
Veiligheid nummer 1. We are now in the city of all cities, Revelstoke.
And it's a city like in the Rocky Mountains.
Yep. Well, it's only 100 kilometers from Golden, so it's a nice village.
There are a lot
It's
of
not too big.
mosquitoes.
Oh yeah, they are back.
And they're famous for the railroad here.
And the mosquitoes.
So we were setting up the tent. It takes like half an hour to get everything done. And
Yep.
the train already entered 2 times. This is our pathway. See, these are the famous metal bridges what we're complaining about, where the rear tire loses grip because it's so slippery. But then this is the view. So all around us are the mountains, and here's the river, and the train passes the river and the mountains. And here's Erik.
Hi.
Look out, a runner.
Alright, we're on the bridge, and on the other bridge we got a train of Canadian Pacific going by.
Yeah, beautiful.
And it's really nice. It's really nice to see that train here.
And
Mountains on the background.
in the sunset. We're gonna pack up our tent in Revelstoke, but you see there behind there's snow on the mountain, and here it's very beautiful. Warm weather. What are you doing?
Setting up the tent. It's a $30 view.
What is?
$30 place. It's not perfect, but you have something in nature.
In nature, and there's a big fence all around it.
That's right, for the bears.
So it's probably for the bears. We're in Banff National Park now. But what we didn't know, we only found it out yesterday, is that it also is a national holiday this weekend. It's Labor Day on Monday, and this is a very touristic place. It's like Banff and Lake Louise. So all the campsites are full, all the
Totally full.
national parks. And this is an overflow campground, but it's for RVs and vans. So we found a place to put up the tent because we know other campsites are full also. So we're just gonna try this.
It's on
MacGyver is working because everything's of rocks, and we think this bump is like all the dirt they put away when they were digging this out. So it's easier for the pins to go in. What do you think of it?
I think it's not comfortable 9+, but I think for the night it should be okay. And we are happy that we find a place to sleep because everything is booked out, totally booked out. And you see more and more people coming in.
What did you just say?
This is the best break of the day.
Yeah, we are in Lake Louise.
Well, the people see
and
our
we
license plates.
had to look for the camp spot, so we're on the overflow. Then we thought, like, let's do one nice thing today. So go into town. It's a very small town, but there is a nice bakery here. So we wanted to go there.
Closed.
It was closed because it was 20 past 6 and it's still 6. But there's a supermarket and we have a nice street. We went to Lake Louise for a coffee, and I think we've been away for like an hour. And see, everything is full. There are even more tents. If you're in such a spot like an overflow camping, it's so cool to see what people do, because you have here the cars with the really small tents, just to be sure. And then you also have these big vans. Do you call it vans? They have everything. They have a TV, coffee machine, shower, whatever. And then there in the corner we've had our tent, and now there's all tents with us. You see, there's also small tents. And you have the rooftop tents on the roofs of the cars. They're also very nice.